In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust team permissions on the Fresha dashboard. Whether you're managing a salon, spa, or any kind of business, setting up your team's permissions is crucial for maintaining both security and efficiency. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in and ready, take a look toward the left side of the screen. Here, you will notice a gear icon. This gear represents your settings and is the key to customizing how your team interacts with the Fresha system. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. It's like opening the door to all your administrative controls. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next thing to do is look for the Teams section. This is where you manage all team-related configurations. When you find it, click on it. By entering the Teams section, you're stepping into the control center for your staff's system access and functionality. After accessing the Teams area, focus your attention on the left side once more, where you'll see an option labeled Permissions. Click on this to bring up a detailed list of all the various permissions available. This page is your toolkit where you can finely tune who can do what on the Fresha platform. You'll now be able to see a comprehensive list of all permissions that can be set for your team members. From here, you have the power to tweak these settings to align with the roles and responsibilities in your organization. It's a flexible system that allows you to check or uncheck specific options as per your requirements. Whether you need someone to have access to scheduling, reporting, or inventory management, it's all right here. Take your time to adjust these permissions thoughtfully, considering what's necessary for each team member to perform their tasks effectively while keeping security in mind. Once you've reviewed and made all necessary adjustments, there's one final but crucial step to complete this process. Look for the option to Save Changes. This button is normally located at the bottom or in an easy-to-spot area of your screen. Clicking Save Changes will ensure all your adjustments are applied and active. It's an important step that locks in your setup and prevents any accidental loss of your settings. And there you have it. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've efficiently customized your team's permissions in Fresha, setting your business up for smooth operation and success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.